Hello kids, today we're going to learn our ABCs with animals. I'll say the letter of the animal and a fun action. You listen and then say it with me. Ready? Let's go! Uh-oh. A is for alligator, bark, and you say alligator, alligator. Snap, snap, snap. A B is for bunny, E, I say bunny, bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Good T is for chicken, D, I say chicken, chicken. Peck, peck, peck. Good D is for dog, you say dog, dog. Woof, woof, woof. E is for elephant, you say elephant, elephant. Stop, stop, stop. F is for frog, you say frog, frog. Jump, jump, jump. Good G is for giraffe, you say giraffe, giraffe. Jump, jump, jump. Good G is for hedgehog, you say hedgehog, frog. Jump, jump, jump. Good jump. Duck, duck. Good G is for hedgehog, you say hedgehog, hedgehog. Curl up small. I is for iguana, do you say iguana, iguana. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Good J is for jaguar, do you say jaguar, jaguar. Run, run, run. Good K is for kitten, do you say kitten, kitten. Meow, meow, meow. L is for lion, do you say lion, lion. Roar, roar, roar. Mem is for mouse, you say mouse, mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Nen is for newt, do you say newt, newt. Crawl so slow. O is for owl, say owl, owl. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Hoot. B is for parrot, do you say parrot, parrot. Talk, talk, talk. Q is for quail, say quail, quail. Walk, walk, walk. Is for reindeer, do you say reindeer, reindeer. Trot, trot, trot. S is for sheep, do you say sheep, sheep. Bob, bob, bob. Good T is for tiger, say tiger, tiger. Growl, growl, growl. U is for urchin, say urchin, urchin. Spiky, spiky, spiky. V is for vulture, say vulture, vulture. Fly, fly, fly. Boo is for whale, say whale, whale. Splash, splash, splash. X is for xerus, do you say xerus, xerus. Run, run, run. Y is for yaku, do you say yak, yak. Stop, stop, stop. Z is for zebra, do you say zebra, zebra. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. Now you know your ABCs with animals. Let's clap.